morning everyone, I'm Datuk, I'm the hair consultant. I have my patient here all the way from US. He did 4,000 grafts yesterday. So Mr. Allen, tell us, why do you choose Clinic Dr. Inder?
Yeah, I did a lot of study in Malaysia hair treatment, and one of my friends recommend here. It's the best. I think that's why I need to come here and see her, and she treated me really well. I asked her so many questions in the last 2 weeks before I come here, and I believe that this clinic is one of the best that I feel that I want to come. Also, I also investigate in the US FUE hair treatment. I don't feel comfortable. I feel comfortable here, and I feel really confident with Datuk and Dr. Inder. People here are very, very nice and welcome me to Malaysia, and my first time in Malaysia, and I feel really, really welcome here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the treatment, and I believe that I will have a nice hair style come out.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Allen. Thank you. So big thumbs up for Dr. Inder and the team.
All right.